Morning, everybody. Next day, new day, and it rained a lot, quite a bit. Here's this log turned out really good. There's the cut drop on the ground, and there's something in that. Let's see what the log ended up being. For a log that I think is here, we're going to see 17, 18 feet long. Let's see where we're at here. I want to say 20. We'll call that a 20. And oh no, really? You just stepped on the... I might leave that one for the customer to see if they like that. No, just kidding. We're at 16.7. That's nice. What we're going to do is, I don't know, this log's big like this. I don't think I'm going to put it up on end and square it up that way. I think what I'm going to do is flop it all the way over 180. Look at this, folks, right up here in the tree. Right there is a woodpecker. They're all over around here. Oh, what's he got there? Oh, cleaning his wing. Oh, focus. Come on, focus, focus. I'm sorry, folks. I just messed it all up. Oh, get up. No pecking, no noise? Okay. Alright. Okay, back to the log. We're gonna put a strap on it, start inching up, I don't know, let's see, 90 degrees, 180, and see if we'll flop it on over. But it's quite a large log all by myself here. One more thing, I don't know if anybody can see this. We're going to zoom in on zoom in on a swarm trap right here. Maybe. See the bees in it. Not quite. I don't know. We'll have to get closer to that swarm tree. About 30 feet up in the air. Or 25 or so. We'll be back when we get this